Okay, John, bro. You're just taking advantage of us in this village, bro. Just because you think you are the only good mechanic around. That's why you're just ripping us off. It's not good now. Last month I bought this thing 2,500 or 3,500, but you're not telling me something else.
You see one problem with you customers. When someone is telling the truth, it's hard for people to believe it. You just mentioned that you bought it 2,500. How can you buy that kind of parts 2,500 to put in your car and you expect it to work? You bought fake one. Huh? See, the one I want to give you is German type. What you bought is China type. That China type is not quality. This German type is the original one, the authentic one.
Bro, stop grammar. Stop this grammar when they speak. We know all these things, so we know. But at least no be to that extent we are going. I take and wear and I take. Huh?
That is why you're here today. Because you bought fake one, that is why you're here today. Just bought how many days ago? Now you're here again to change the same parts. If you bought original, will you come back here again? I am telling you something, you don't want to believe me. The one I'm going to give you is German type. That part is German type. And the price is 12,500. That is what they sell it. Monica!
Agami!
Abel, come. What about 12,000? See, that German type is 12,500. That's what they're selling it. The Monica, tell them the price you buy that parts you bought the other day.
Sir?
That parts now you bought for the other customer. That one you fix on the other car.
Which one?
That same customer that you went and bought the parts the other day.
The part? Which part?
That bow joint. That bow joint.
Bow joint. The bow joint. Hey, Ogami. Because you know, say you say, make I put my mouth for all this kind of matter again. Yeah. After that way you say, my mouth is smell, make I put them for all this kind of matter. Okay, beg, no tempt me, no tempt me, oh. I think they use bleaching cream, and they use cream, oh. My hand is black, oh. You see my hand, the black.
Monica, customer day here. Anyone know the price? He's arguing the price with me. So now make I say, make you tell him, because now me and you did this shop.
Yes. Now me go buy and sell. Now me go buy and, okay, you know, say I know they shall be able to lie. I go straighten things up, oh. This step will go break, oh.
Monica.
Sir?
Tell him the price.
You mean it like that? Because you know, say, when it is now, this table now, two leg. But I talk now, the table goes scatter, oh. You have like small yard, just shake, oh. You go scatter, the table goes scatter, Ogami.
Monica.
Hey, Ogami.
Customer is here, waiting. Tell him the price.
You mean it like that? Okay. You give me 3K, make I take go buy the parts. As I reach there, I be the vest, and no price. I give the boy 3K. He give me 200 naira. As I come now, Oga don't even look me now. He better just jack the money from my hand.
Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you. You see, you see what will happen now? You want me to have you? May God bless you, my dear. No lend the way, some of you. This is the last time I will bring my car to visit your shop. Since you are not a teacher man.
No.
This is the last time I walk my mouth in the city. No. All sense.
Oga.
I beg. Package if I come now, I will carry him.
Oga, there's no vest.
Monica! Which kind of human being you be?
Oga, na 5K above.
Monica, which kind of human being you be?
Oga, na 10K above.
Hey, you dare here when I tell this customer say na 12,500.
Oga, na 12.5.
You still go to tell and say na another thing, Monica. Why, Monica?
I tell you, say the table go break, oh. It go break, oh. Like small yard, they shake, oh. You say make I talk.
Monica, you want to spoil my business?
No.
Are you here to ruin my business?
No.
Monica, bring you to this workshop to spoil my business.
Oga, na 15K. Ogami.
Monica, how you think I go make am for this shop with all this attitude? With what you're doing? How do you expect me to make it in this shop, Monica? Hi, God.
Daddy, the one I buy 1K, we sell at 10K. This one I will buy at 10K.
Monica, you even talk another one. Monica, sir? For this shop, you're just here to ruin my business. In fact, leave. I said go now, not follow me. Go.
I got that 5K.
Honey?
Yeah, babe.
When are we going to pay for the shop at the market?
The shop. You know, I have been thinking. I came to the conclusion that won't be necessary. Yeah.
Why?
Because I want you to go back to school and finish up your program.
Honey, I need to start up a business so that I can help my sister to further Favor's education.
How can you and your elder sister be school dropouts for your younger one? That doesn't sound nice now.
My other sister is almost done. She dropped out at her final year. I know that once she gets money, she'll go back to finish up. She's not the problem here. Favor is.
Okay, so that's cool. But it will not be said that my baby girl is a school dropout. Never. I wouldn't permit that, you know. So, you will go back to school. I will take care of that. You and Favor, I'll take care of your education. And when you're done, I can pay for a boutique for you. I can open a big one for you, you know.
How are you going to do all of that? The expenses is going to be much from your capital. It will be too much for you.
Okay, fine. I didn't want to tell you this yet, but you know the contract? You remember the contract to supply Nigerian wires?
Mm-hmm.
It has been approved.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Why did you hide that from me? Oh my god! Honey, I'm so happy.
I know.
Oh, I am so happy for you. Congratulations, baby.
Thank you.
What?
It calls for a big celebration, but
This is huge.
yeah, absolutely.
Oh, baby. Congrats.
Thank you. It's congratulations is for both of us, you know.
Yeah.
And you know, you are the bearer of good omen,
I know.
positivity, productivity,
I know.
good fortune.
I know. I know I am.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Come on. I love you.
I love you too.
Daddy, I go there, I say, shut up your mouth, shut up your mouth. Don't talk for my business. Don't spoil my business. I shut up my mouth. I did my own, they clean what he say, make a clean. He come outside. Eh? Monica, this thing what you buy, how much? Tell this man, how much you buy this thing. Monica, tell her, how much you buy this thing. He no give me signal, make her talk say that 12,000. I tell her, say, this table na 2 leg, you go break oh. He say, make her talk. I talk how much you buy him now. He say, make her come out for his shop. I don't come out now. I get cassava, I go harvest her. Use the money buy tools. Thank God say I sabi the work. I open my own for my frontage. You know tell me say make a lie. I don't feel like because of anybody. I don't feel like for this life where I come. He come and say, Monica, tell the customer how much you buy the material. Ball and joint. Talk and I say make I dey go. Where they go now? I go open my own shop.
Tell me, remember tomorrow day. If onye na-emeno ya lotekwechi echi ebuka. I'm weary for Mary ha mana fafo nyafobanya ochiro for woman cha. Please go
and get me water. Huh? I'm tired and thirsty. Also, because maybe let them military. Oh, fine.
Hey. Are you okay?
Let me give you the water. I'm fine.
What's wrong with you?
I'm nothing.
Come, Bia. Bia! Come, let me see your eyes. Hey! Ogechukwu! You are pregnant.
Me pregnant? Mama, I'm not pregnant.
Ogechukwu, that boy has impregnated you.
Oh, Mama, how can you say it like that?
Okay. Hey!
take it. Okay, Chiku. So you are finally eating the apple.
Which apple? Mama.
Hey!
You don't eat any apple.
Hey! Okay, Chiku. So you have allowed yourself to become a mocking stock. Look at you. Look at you, eat the email. How could make it there? You know, I was looking at you. I was thinking that this your color. I didn't know that what I was thinking has already happened. Okay, Chuku.
Mama, I'm still a virgin. Mama.
Okay, Chuku, you have finished me.
Mama, I'm still a virgin.
You are virgin? Okay, Chuku. Yeah. Why is it paining you? Why is it paining you, okay, Chuku? That is a sign that you are pregnant.
Just imagine me. What I'll do to this girl. What? Heaven knows. Animal. Where's that she goat? Where's your friend? Where's that animal?
Who are you calling names?
Your friend. I mean your friend.
You mean Monica?
Where is that corpse fool? Where's that moving corpse that will soon end up in grave?
Oh, Gajombu, it's not nice to call her names now. What is it she has done again?
Very soon you find that it's not just calling her names, but I will integrate it into action. Can you imagine that Callowat went and told my customer that the price I told him for the pass I bought for him is lies? Hey. And that madman has vowed never to return to my shop again.
Hey! Monica! Hey. Monica Zukwanike! Oga Jumbu, please. I don't know why she cannot use her brain.
This is not a matter of please.
Oga Jumbu, please, just take it easy. Take it easy, okay? Please, I beg you.
You said I should take it easy?
Yes.
If I take it easy finish, would that bring back the customer to me? In fact, just come and take me to their place. Take me to her house. In fact, make the matter no reach you. You know me, you don't ask me and you there. Yes. Make the matter no reach you.
We are friends.
Just take me to their house.
We are friends.
So I can deal with her. Because definitely I'll deal with her myself in my own way.
I know.
I have just told. Let's go.
We are friends.
Let's go now.
Oga Jumbu, calm down now. We can settle this thing as friends.
There's nothing we can settle. Take me to her.
Tell me, remember tomorrow day. If
Monica, what is going on? Your boss came raving today.
Now which kind of talk be that? I beg, I don't want to hear that man name. Make I no vest. How do you join the vest? What the vest? I don't want to get anything to do with that man. Me and Chris person not fit be friend.
Shouldn't be say making no transfer aggression reach my side. Monica, waiting they happen. Why the two of you just they para? You they para, your boss they para. Waiting they happen. Now may you tell me, in fact, where you there? I won't come see you.
Now only him 9 they mad with himself. I don't follow him mad. No worry. I dey go my farm. I go harvest all my cassava. I go turn am to garri. I go fry am. I go sell am. I go buy tools. Me self go put my own mechanic workshop. Me person no can use talk and like me.
Tell me, remember tomorrow day. If
it's like Uncle Jumbo has been making advances on Monica and she refused to tell me. Me person no lead into temptation.
I'm waiting for Mary.
Let me go.
I'm waiting for Mary. I'm waiting for Mary.
Hello, guy. I want to follow you laugh. What's happening?
How are you? I saw you murmuring to yourself, and I hope all is well.
What's now I come in? If I'm almost myself, now you get my mouth, now you get the road. Not be you now I help fix car for this same place. Is that day?
Yes.
Why you can't dey here again? The same spot. You find head where you go use?
God forbid. Why will you think that of me?
Then they write about person forehead. I know what you define here, where you can't stand here. If na head you define, me I be Chris person. Then they use Chris person to do money.
Far from that. You see, I have been coming here for some weeks now, hoping to see you. And today happens to be my lucky day. Good to see you.
I bet bros, hold on there. Lucky day, see me, say, as in what's happen now? What's now and come me? I bet not be on the do me now. As I will take trek, go my farm, go do cassava, turn on to Gary, take help myself. Now they also go do now.
That's all right. You see, since our last encounter, I haven't been able to get you off my mind. And I think I have
I bet bros, hold on there. I happy say you said you talk to yourself before me I even reach here. But you not listen to yourself. I happy say as you see me they call here and say I dey murmur to myself. That means say I know they good mood. You know understand? I dey hustle go my farm like I tell you before. I dey go pluck cassava. I no get mood to come begin to talk this matter. We won't begin to talk now.
I understand. I can actually drive you to your farm, help you uproot the cassavas and drop you off at home, if that's the case.
Seriously happen? Now be you tell me that day when I see you here, say, now get where is it for Facebook, now you find rich here.
Yes.
So what's going to happen?
I remember telling you I have nothing with the girl. It is you I have fallen for.
But do you be aware?
Baby. Come on, be happy now. What's up?
Just stop. What is this display now? Or you want to use this one and confuse me? After keeping me here for a long time.
Baby, this is not time for nagging. You should just stand on your feet and join me in dancing.
Please stop. You know I'm not feeling too fine.
See, only if you know the reason I asked you to join me and dance, use your I'm not feeling fine attitude will just leave you in a blink of an eye.
Oh yeah, now tell me. You know surprise is not my thing.
Okay. Should I break the news? Baby, you are selected amongst those that will be going for the South Zone Big Brother Naija audition that will be held at Port Harcourt in 2 weeks' time. See, you're not listening. You think I am joking with you? Here you are, baby. Here you are, baby. Mary, come! Hi. This girl said, oh, you're not even appreciative. This time is time for celebration, at least inside the house.
See, gentle. Suppose no say money not be problem, eh? Once the job is done, you go get your balance.
No, Lele. Gentle Joe go persecute action. And you go confirmento. Twilight for the Queen Mama.
Gentle. No, they call me that name. You always make me remember Jungle. You know, say me, I don't born twice now. But I believe your weight. Now you make I carry this rocket come for you. I don't say you go deliver.
You know my matter now. You go deliver one time. But the matter be say you go send me her pictures. Me and my boys go do the underground work now. You don't know the story.
I trust you. You see, after this matter, all these small girls where they this village, they go no say, no be every girl go collect their man. What's about someone like me?
Now the levels and the lesson be that. Your own man to press button now. Me and my boys go. You know my matter now. I need money. My body the hot.
My man, tree.
No, not to flex this meat.
Now I swear, the thing.
You know as the matter they go now.
Sister Faith! Sister Faith, oh! Sister Faith, come on! Sister Faith! Sister Faith, come. I don't get a lot to go to win. I tell
tell you. I don't tell you.
Why are you shouting my name like that?
Sister, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for waking you up. Sister, guess what? And when you are calling me Mary, add star. Yes, add star. Yes.
What is it?
Sister Faith. Hey. My name and picture appeared in the magazine of the South BB Naija audition, which will be held in Port Harcourt. But Faith will be happy to hear this.
You mean your name appeared?
My name appeared. Not only my name, my picture also appeared.
So where's the magazine?
Hey, Happiness not even giving me a collector more from Mike. But don't worry. I'll bring it home. You know what? By the time this comes, me, you, but afraid, we'll go for holiday. In Singapore, Paris, Dubai.
Paris.
Okay, Paris. Anyone. But we'll go there for holiday. We'll go there.
May God do one for us. So God
I've done it already. I've done it. And don't forget to add Mary Star.
Mary
Star. Go away, Mary Star.
Superstar.
Superstar.
It's okay, oh.
Bros, I'm very grateful. Thank you. Because if you don't know, I don't know how to carry all that cassava reach here. God bless you.
You're welcome.
But it's like matter where you talk. Love. I beg. May you put me down. Because I don't get power, make your Facebook girlfriend no go pour me hot oil or hot water. You understand?
You'll be shocked that I don't even know her real name. Only her Facebook name. If you can recall, I didn't get to know your name after you did me great favor the first time we met. I think it's my little weakness, and I'm not proud of it anyways.
God will heal you for that one. God will bless you. Make her go, make yourself come they go before night go meet you here.
Come on, are you chasing me away?
No, night matter me at the talk.
It's alright, don't mind me. I have to run along now.
Thank
Be
you.
good.
Thank you.
Bye.
You help me, thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Honey? Who are you waving at?
I hate her. I want strange person where I see where help me carry cassava. What do you say my oga talk?
You waiting you dey talk make person no lead you into temptation. Me I no understand you.
Now oga na tell you say I dey tell. Oga na dey tell say abeg make you no lead me into temptation. Me I no want wahala. He said me make I go buy bow joint. He give me 3,000. Maybe I go buy bow joint. Before that I don't want to make I dey put my mouth for him business. Now I dey put my mouth for him business. My I told they talk. Now I say okay. Where I did the work, oga and the customer come they argue. I know answer I did there. I be oga for leave me where I did jeje. Maybe you come make I come. And say, hey, man talk how much I buy this thing. I say, oga, this table you want shake, so this table you want shake too. Now let 2 legs this table you go break if I talk. Oh. He say make I talk. I say, oga, me you say me I have to talk straight down. I have to clarify things. He say make I talk. You don't give me eye, make I not talk. And I say, oga, if better this table break, it go be like small yards they shake, small yards they shake. He say make I talk. No be he come ask me say how much I buy this thing. I say, he give me 3,000. I bring 200 and I buy for so na 2,800. He vex. No be he begin the vex. Say na 12,000. I said no be 12,000 na 2,800. He begin the vex. Na joke na I call am.
Just that.
For the customer front self. If the customer he vex the way oga talk to me, he promise oga say you know come to shop again.
In fact, Monica, you and your oga, una two be like say something dey worry una.
Na something dey worry. He too dey vex for small thing.
So now because of this
small matter.
Monica, no come for this.
No be you go settle the quarrel. You come na your uncle. No be introduce us. Let's go inside. Get my small bag. The black one.
Okay.
They on top fridge.
Move it! Enter
Not to shout, not to shout. Enter, not to shout.
Move it!
Enter here, not to shout. Enter.
Go inside now, stop looking. Yeah.
And when we fall, marry her, and I fall for Nanya for Banya. A children for woman, Manomi for mere fache megideya. I'm wearing for mere ha. Mana fafo nyafubanya. Ochira fugwa manja.
Favor. What? How? Okay, calm down. Calm down. We need to go to the police and lay a complaint. Do you know her workplace? What? Okay. Go and tell her friend, Belinda. I'll be there right away. I'm coming. Okay?
I'm wearing for Mary Ha. Mana fafo nyafubanya. Ochira fugwa manja. Manomi for Mary fache megideya. I'm wearing for Mary Ha. Mana fafo nyafubanya.
Hey, Ngwangwa. Let's go. I don't take it easy. I know I'm not feeling fine. Hey, was I the one who asked you to open your leg wide for man? Omwa. Ngwangwa, you're wasting my time. Let's go.
Mama, I don't open my leg for any man. Besides, I'm not pregnant.
Give me a message. What is wrong with you? You are not pregnant. Don't worry. You are not Virgin Mary that was visited by the Holy Spirit. Let's go now. You are wasting my time. Let's go.
Mama, I'm not pregnant. I'm just feeling feverish. That's all.
Don't worry. Hospital will settle this. By the time we get to the hospital, and it's what I'm thinking. Honestly, you will not be happy with me. By the time I'm finished with you, you will regret having me as a mother. Even get Megan.
Mama, I live on Chawuna. It's not what you normally used to give to me if I'm not feeling fine.
No problem. This time around, test. Test running. That's what we are going
to the hospital. I'm not pregnant.
Let's get to the hospital.
Please, you need to calm down. Just put yourself together. Did you see their faces?
Oh, they zoomed off when I came out.
What of your sister?
No, she left, but I've called her.
What did she say?
She was the one that asked me to come and meet you, and she said she'll be going to the station to lay complaint.
Okay, see what is going to happen, Just go home. Let me go and meet the Oga and inform him what happened.
I can't go to the house. I'm scared.
Okay, just stay here. Just stay here. I'll be right back. Oh, stay here. I'm coming now.
I'm wearing for Mary Ha. Mana fafo nyafubanya. Ochira fugwa manja. Manomi for Mary fache megideya. I'm wearing for Mary Ha. Mana fafo nyafubanya.
Good. Thank you so much. So where we go hook up? And where we gonna pin the stupid girl? Correct guy. You know my correct guy. And for this thing what you do so, you be my manchi. Don't worry, I go show now and I go show.
Look, babe, you have to calm down, okay? You've lodged official complaints. Soon the police will be on the matter, like, swiftly.
Really? You think it is that easy? I should be calm in this situation? Okay. I know that my sister and I are not best of friends, but we're not enemies either. She is my blood.
I know. You're going to hurt yourself the way you're going about this.
Oh goodness. Babe, the thing is, you know that we can hurt her in many ways. They can even kill her.
They won't. Get this, don't get that thought in your brain right now. God forbid. Nothing will happen to your sister.
Just take me home to see my sister, Favor. Take me home. And I hope this is not what I am thinking.
What are you thinking?
Never mind, just take me home. Take me home, please.
I want you to remember. I want you to know. This world is turn by turn. It's turn by turn. Okukoji, Geyigwa Wacha, Mogelua, Anofia, Gapuano, no Molua. Nothing lasts forever. Chichira Chige Fokwe Flow.
Mary,
what is going on? This your sudden illness is becoming something else. Oh. Just yesterday you were full of life. Now you're here shivering like a chicken exposed to cold.
Sister, I'm fine. It's just small cold.
Small cold? It's not small, oh. You're not feeling fine. Oh yeah, let's go to the hospital.
Sister, I'm not going to the hospital.
You must go. I need to know what is wrong with you. Oh yeah, stand up, let's go. I said we must go to the hospital now, eh?
Belinda. What's the matter with you? Why are you wearing this squeezed face? What kind of greeting is this?
Jumbo, do you have to do it?
Do what?
Do you have to bring yourself so low? I thought you were joking when you said you're going to deal with her. I never knew you meant it. Why do you act so childish?
Belinda, what's the matter with you? Could you just talk straight and stop running around issues? What on earth are you talking about?
Oga Jumbo, don't pretend. Don't pretend, Oga Jumbo. Don't tell me you don't know anything about Monica's adoption.
Abduction?
Yes!
Who? Is something wrong with you? Is that all you think of me? How do you know she was abducted?
The sister told me. The sister told me that some men came to the house and kidnapped Monica.
And you think I have hands in that?
Yes!
Belinda! Is that all you think of me? Honestly, to say the least, I'm so disappointed in you. If this is what you think of me, in fact, I will never forgive you for this.
Oga Jumbo.
See, let me tell you. If truly she's abducted, that serves her right. Since she will not stop putting eyes on things that does not concern her, she will always, as in prognosing people's matters. It's not my business, oh. It's not my business.
Oga Jumbo, this is not fair. This is not fair, Oga Jumbo. Oga Jumbo, this is not fair. Oh.
Belinda, I know nothing about her abduction. Period. Just let me be.
I want you to remember. I want you to know. This world is turn by turn. It's turn by turn. Okukoji, Geyigwa Wacha, Mogelua, Anofia, Gapokwano, no Molua. Nothing lasts forever. Chichira chige fokwe flow. It will cost you nothing to be good to people. But why? I'm wearing for Maryha. Mana fafunya fubanya. Ochira fugwa manja. Mano mi for Mary Faje Megideya. I'm wearing for Maryha. Mana fafunya fubanya. Ochira fugwa manja. Mano mi for Mary Faje Megideya. I'm wearing for Maryha. Mana fafunya fubanya. Ochira fugwa manja. Mano mi for Mary Faje Megideya.
Okay, Chiku, there's nothing you ask me in this house that I don't provide. Ha! You have chosen to make me a laughing stock in this village. Okay, Chiku, tell me. If you need pants, I will provide. You know the cloth, okay, Chiku. Now, one buck, you get them. Is it to make your hair? I will still bring money. Okay, Chiku. You just try. Disgrace yourself. Useless yourself before men. Okay, Chiku, tell me. Okay, Chiku, tell me. Since your father died, have I brought any man to this house? Okay, Chiku. Ha! Okay, Chiku, boom. I'm finished. Look at it. They will be laughing at you. Laughing at me when I'm walking around the road. They will say, where are you? Our daughter is pregnant. Our daughter is pregnant. Ah. God. Say what again? This is my reward for taking good care of my daughter. This is my reward, God, or the number. Okay, Chiku, try. Dalo, thank you very much. Ah. Ha! Mba. I can no longer go to women beating because of you. I'm a judge.
See, madam, I don't know what your daughter is talking about. I don't have any idea what she is saying. All I do is train girls and give them the opportunity they deserve in life. See, I can't even stoop low to... Oh my God. How can I stoop so low to sleep with her? Even... God. Ma, you know what? I can see that she is simply afraid to tell you about her numerous boyfriends that used to visit her after rehearsal. That is what I'm seeing. Okay, start talking to your mother.
Mike. You don't know how to talk again.
Mike, you look me to the face and you're denying me. Mike, after telling me that you love me, after everything, Mike, after sleeping with me, and look at what you are saying. But I is responsible for this child.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Eh? When you were busy opening your leg for every man on the street. So in my presence you want to deny my daughter. You want to tell me that you are not responsible for Yadiaba.
Madam, I am not... See, madam, I will tell you and I am going to swear with my life that I have not seen the color of your daughter's pants.
Shut up!
I don't know the size of her brazier. Madam, I am too disciplined to be looking at the girls I train. God of mercy.
So you want to tell me that this thing
No, don't. Madam, I have a rep to protect in this village. My future is as bright as the star and the sun, that I don't want anything to tarnish my image in this village. Ma, please, ask her. Okay, can you please open up to your mother about the people that are visiting you here, please?
Yeah? I better remember, I can't forget. You forget? You know I did to can outlook. This is not the last visit I will come.
You don't need to visit again. I've just told you that I have nothing.
Criminal, look at him here. This is the car. Hold him.
No, I wanted to.
You want to run?
My door.
Officer, this is the criminal. This is the criminal that deceives young girls in this village. That he will package them for Big Brother Naija. And he will use the opportunity to sleep with all of them. Officer, Lekweyaba. I told you that major police panic again.
Sir, there has to be a mix-up somewhere. See, I run a legit agency for like modeling agency. Okay, I'm registered with CAC. You know what? Let me just. I have soup on fire. Can I bring it down?
This young man here impregnated my daughter, and he was even denying right before my presence. Now, Ukuke Kola and the nyash of the fowl is open.
By the time the police are done dealing with you, then you think of maybe going back to your people. Oh, you think I don't know where you came from? Okay, under bridge. You are even squatting with someone. Officer, arrest this man.
Young man, you are under arrest for impregnating Miss Mary under the pretext of training her.
Yes.
Hey.
Will you shut up, my
I
friend?
told you, I am panicking.
You better keep quiet.
I am panicking.
No, thank you.
You understand me? Officer!
No, thank you.
I run a modeling.
Arrest this man!
I run a modeling agency.
Look, babe, you guys have to take it easy, all right? You have to calm down. I am very optimistic that the police is doing something to find the kidnappers. I am very sure.
How are we sure? How are we sure they're even doing anything towards that? How are we sure? Eh? We are human beings and not robots. We feel pains when there's cause to.
I know. But it doesn't mean you have to inflict more pains and fall ill because of the situation. Okay? What we should be doing right now is to find who is responsible and a solution to why she was kidnapped.
Her number is still switched off. Hey! It's my sister.
Take it easy. Okay?
Eunice,
Any news?
None yet, oh. None. Did you see her boss? What did he say?
Yes, I saw her boss too. He said he knows nothing about it. But I feel he's responsible. He's responsible for this.
Really?
Yes.
Why do you feel so?
He threatened her yesterday. But I thought he didn't mean it at all. I never knew he meant it.
I don't understand. You mean he threatened her yesterday?
Yes.
For what? That makes him a prime suspect here.
Exactly! What are you waiting for?
Look.
Let me call the IPO already.
Hey, you have to calm down about this. We have to treat caution with caution, okay?
He's not picking.
See what I'm saying? We have to treat with caution. We can go to the station and meet him up.
Why would he do this to her? Eh?
Try again, please.
He's still not picking.
Hey.
A policeman who's meant to be with his phone all the time?
Brossies. I don't know, they're on a pass phone. I made me add S there. Brossies. I beg. I don't know what I do. I don't know who send the money. I can't carry me, but I know I never offend anybody. I never offend anybody. Since I come here now, I never give me even water. My tongue don't dry. Then they produce spit again, it don't dry. I beg.
Hey, I said I don't want you to shout for here.
Bros, I beg, no.
I don't want you to reduce your voice. You don't hear what I be.
I don't
You want my blast your head?
No, bros, I beg.
You don't get sense?
I get.
Come on, take this thing, take whole body. They are the shout anyhow.
Bros, I beg, what's me that?
You still ask me to be that?
No, the thing is in my table body.
Siam.
I don't see her, bread and coke. Bread and coke, I don't see her.
Look my face very well. I know they fear your face. You see, if you none anyhow for here, if you talk anyhow for here, I don't go mind say they tell me make I no blast you. I go just kill you for here, waste you throw away.
Bros, I beg.
You didn't hear what?
Yes,
you didn't hear me so?
I didn't hear.
Come on, bring you the chop. You're not going to say we don't kill you without giving you food.
As you say, make I don't talk again, bros. They calculate say the God will give you the mind, may you give me this food. He go don't give you sense. May you know say I no get hand to take chop am.
You still talk, Abi?
No vex, bros. I beg, no vex. As I know if you use my teeth, begin the tear and the chew, and I say make I ask. I beg, bro. I beg.
Baby, I don't understand why you don't want to take a chill pill over this matter. I don't understand you. Because you have to be certain that he's responsible before you lay your charges against him.
Really? How can one be certain if you don't take actions? How? It is too much to be a coincidence. I mean, we had issue just yesterday, and then today my sister is abducted from our house. No, it is too much to be a coincidence.
That is why it is called coincidence. An event occurs and another follows. Look, you have to be sure he's responsible before you can press charges.
Oh, you're saying it's your own. It is your own. Because I have already sent a text message to the IPO. And tomorrow morning, they will act.
You did what?
I did.
Why are you this stubborn? Why are you all this stubborn? Especially you, babe. Why are you this stubborn? Why can't you listen to me?
So because one demands for his right and justice makes you stubborn? Huh? Anyway, it is because of this my stubbornness that you prefer me to your other girls.
I'm waiting for Mary, man, I fall for Ojirafu Guamancha, Manomi for Mary Fache, Megidea, I'm wearing for Mary Ha, Manafafu Nyafubanya, Ojirafu Guamancha, Manomi for Mary Fache, Megidea.
Are you Mr. Jumbo?
Yes, I'm Mr. Jumbo. How can I help you?
My name is Inspector Kojo. I am from the Police 2nd Division Headquarters. We are here in connection to the kidnap of one Miss Monica, who is also your apprentice here.
And so this fool took this matter this far.
Oh, don't call names. Don't call anybody names at all. All accused are innocent unless proven otherwise by the court of law.
See, I'm not here to waste time with you. My friend, move it.
Can I change to something more decent?
Does it look as if I'm here to joke with you?
I need to just change.
Kai,
see. No, see, this is my working there. This is my working there. I need to change it to something. Officer, this is my shop.
My friend, move
Officer, this is my shop. I need to change this. Officer, I need to change it to something.
Babe, what's up now? Why I not see you for area?
Which area? That area we don't cast. It don't raz. I don't know if you come that side again. No.
I don't understand. What you talk about?
Okay. This morning as I pass, at the match the waka. I see that your Philip and Eunice, the match come out from police station for that Ikelebe house. So you know reason I say something don't they sob. So
say you see Philip and Eunice, what's how it take concern me?
What do you mean? How it take concern you? You they meant. What do you mean? So what? So your brain no fit tell you say they don't find out what you do. Go they make entry. As you come out like this, if you say they don't do your creep like this, you just need to they watch your side as they go like this. So. Why you they laugh?
Rose. Sometimes they surprise me. Oh. Yes. You know they behave like graduates at all. No be only say you be graduates. You. We play frat for school. Come village, come they behave like Jew girl. See, I no go like give you now money we go chop for campus.
See, girlie, forget this graduate matter. This one no be graduate matter. Okay, make I clear you something. How it be say na the same Ikelebe, that popo guy when you use arrest her, 9 day with her. No be say na only how he dey with Philip, and the same Ikelebe has 9 2 of them they come out together. You know clear you say they go don dey reverse what you do to take pin you down. Babe, we need match, we need match. I beg, I know feel they do this one with you.
I'm waiting for Mary mama.
Auntie Belinda, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where is Eunice?
She went out, but she's already in my room.
Really? Maybe I went to the house.
No problem.
Okay. Eunice, do you have to do it?
Yes. I have to.
What do you stand to gain or achieve by arresting Uncle Jumbo?
Oh, yes, sir. I have to do it. I did what Monica would have done for me or even you if any of us find ourselves in the same predicament she has found herself.
And how are you sure he did it?
It's simple. If he is innocent, they'll release him. After all, the police is our friend. So they will ensure he is fine if he is truly innocent.
Eunice.
Moreover, why are you making it look like I did something bad? Fighting for justice for my own sister. Really?
Eunice. Eunice. Just be ready to dance to the rhythm of the drum you're beating when it gets tough. And be sure that your sister will be proud of you when Jumbo fights back.
Hey, don't point at me when you're talking. No. Don't point at me. No problem. I am ready. When the time comes, we know the real lovers of Monica. Yeah, you're talking it.
But you should have...
Hold it there. Just park one side now.
Gentle, we are in trouble. Our deal don't cast.
How do you mean?
See, as I'm speaking to you now, police dey my area, they look for me up and down. Even if my ears don't notice what we do, go report us to police station.
How this matter can't take us like this now? So what do we do?
You dey ask me? No. Gentle, me they ask. See, if you know waiting they good for you now, run now and go release that girl. Eh? Because if police show, all man go down. I don't get joy like this.
Many words now. How find my balance?
I thought I say you know well. No, Gentle, you know well. See person while they try say from life imprisonment. They talk about balance. So no money they important now. Eh? Now money they important. Pass your life. No one. See me, I go begin the move. Run before something can change.
On a norm say, I know they run this kind of racket without say I not collect my full pay. But now you they lose guard me.
Brother Fred, please don't do this. Please, you don't have to leave us. Please,
Faith.
please.
Faith, you know you are just wasting your time and energy. Eh? You know there's nothing you will say that will make me not to travel. How do you expect me to face this shame? How?
So, Brother Fred, I should be the one to face all the shame alone? I should be the one to cater for her alone?
The shop is now in your care. You can use it and take care of yourself. As for Mary, she already has a husband that will cater for her. And of course, she will soon win millions from her big Naija or whatever. So just allow me, let me go.
Brother Fred, this is not funny. This is not funny. What if Mike runs away from this village knowing that you are no longer in this village?
The police can never allow that to happen. Yes, and I can't stop him if he chooses to. See, Faith, we are only going through this because of my financial status. Eh? Let me just go and look for my greener pasture. Let me go. I can't face this shame. Oh. I cannot. Oh. I cannot. Let me just
Brother
go.
Fred, you're not going. You're not going anywhere.
Faith.
No.
Faith.
Brother Fred, no.
Faith.
Brother Fred.
Faith, leave this bag.
You cannot leave us. Brother Fred, please. Brother Fred. Brother Fred, please don't do this to us. Ah. Mary. Ah. Oh, God.
He's out.
He's out. How? That's not his house. You decided to let him out?
My sister is back. And she bailed him.
I don't understand. Your sister is back. How did that happen? Did she say who kidnapped her or... Is she alright?
Too many questions at the same time. You even ask the most important if your fiancé has eaten. You won't ask.
It's also important. Babe, how did your sister get